Where does the name for Ffordd Bwgan come from? So today I'm going to go up Ffordd Bwgan. Now, if you don't speak Welsh, it won't be immediately obvious why that's a weird name for a road. But a ffordd is a road, and Bwgan is kind of like a goblin or a monster or some kind of bogeyman. So I tried to do some research into it. I can't find out why it's called Ffordd Bwgan, the road of the goblin, but I've never seen anything. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. I'm going to go up it now and see if we can find something. Okay, so we set off up this road hoping to show you something cool, but we've been walking along it for like what, 3 hours now, something like that, 4 hours. It just keeps going. Look, it's like this all the way up. It just keeps going. There's the occasional gate, but I'm pretty sure this hill's not that big. Okay, I've been walking for 12 hours now. I think something's going on. I'm getting hungry. I'm getting thirsty, and it doesn't matter which way I go along the path. I've tried going back down the path to go back to the road. It's uphill either way.